Pie charts, segments, slices, whatever you might call them, can be really fun and satisfying to make. We're going to look at 2 methods of how to create them in Adobe Illustrator in 2 minutes. Starting with a basic circle, you may have noticed Illustrator now has this pie slicer annotation. You simply drag that around your shape to create slices. Unfortunately, the Shift key, which you may be used to using to constrain the angles of movement, sadly doesn't work here. Which is a shame, but you can double-click the slice marker to reset the circle. To specify the pie angles, you will need the Transform panel. Head up to Window, Transform. The pie angle settings can be entered here. You can also flip the segment around. If you hold Alt or Option key before you press this button, it'll duplicate and reverse the slice in one action. If we wanted to create a donut-shaped pie chart, I will copy and paste in front a second circle and make it smaller. And using the Pathfinder, I can minus the front. Sadly, this is a destructive way to make a compound path, so we actually lose the pie slicer marker. Instead, if we undo that and hold Alt or Option when we click the minus front button, our Pathfinder action is non-destructive, allowing us to double-click and enter the compound shape, see the slice marker again, and create a donut pie segment. The second method I want to show you is DynamicShapes from Astute Graphics, which has a panel full of default common shapes you can create in Illustrator. Starting with a circle, I can pull out the shape. It's remembered my settings from the last time I used it, so hit the B key to return to a basic shape. The red slice markers can be pulled around your path, and because it's dynamic shape, we can change its geometry using the panel to be a rectangle, oval, polygon, star, or donuts, whatever shape you want to use. The pie angles can be adjusted, and you can flip the slice by holding the Alt or Option key and clicking the angle icon. Or you can use the flyout menu option to duplicate the shape and reverse the slice. 2 simple ways to make pie charts in Adobe Illustrator. Find out more about Astute Graphics using the link in the description.